Hello, this is Jason, and I'm out for a walk. This is the street, just leaving my condo, and you'll hear a lot of people calling you, trying to get you in the shop, especially down here, the massage people. Pretty narrow street. Get over here on the sidewalk. Pretty warm out. 85 degrees. And just a short walk down this road and I'll come up to a mall. It's a pretty nice mall. It's kind of like open to the air, open air mall. Well, there is a roof, but there's like no doors. Here it is. So, Poppy's Gates. We got Cold Stone Creamery. That's weird. This was a Dairy Queen yesterday, and now it's all boarded in. That's weird. And I'm on the search for a SIM card, which I believe is over here. I was walking through here last night, like around 10 o'clock, and they're all closing up. Did you map Apple reseller? Where was it? It's over here. Maybe not. I'm turned around. I went the other way, the other time. Johnny Rockets. Oh, look at the koi fish. Very nice, very nice. H&M, of course, everywhere. They always have huge stores. Alright, here we go. Hello.
Same card?
Yeah.
This one?
This one?
Yeah. This is you must keep. If any problem you need the barcode.
Okay.
Can you open?
And which one's my phone number? I got 08?
Yeah, but you can see in here too. Welcome serial number.
Okay. Yeah, 0851. Okay. All right, thank you very much. Oh wait, I have to pay. I'll be like, oh, see ya. Thanks for the free cell phone. 200?
200.
It's funny. Great service. No. Thank you. So that's $12 per month and 20 gigabytes. Should be more than enough. Furries. I'm getting hungry. I don't know, eating at the mall is the best move. Here's the fronts. These are all a bunch of stores I'm not interested in. Oh, maybe this cafe. Let's check it. I'm so hungry. It's almost 2 in the afternoon. I've not ate anything. You can get a pad thai here for $6. You get a big steak. Let's see. T-bone steak is like $18. Chicken Parmesan for $8. That sounds good. I love chicken Parmesan. Alright, I won't try that chicken parm. Hello, just one. Okay. Here's fine.
So, you know, when they do prime and just waiting for the menu, yeah?
Okay.
Well, I don't know the city, but there is like a lot of wine.
Oh, there's a happy hour menu.
And it also salad.
These are all happy hour stuff?
Yes, happy hour 2-for-1 for the pizzas and pasta and burger. Pizza
Okay.
pasta, you can be combined for the burger, only combined for the burger.
Okay.
You charge for the higher price, yeah?
And I know I'm going to want a chocolate milkshake.
Chocolate milkshake?
Yeah.
Smoking?
No.
And for the food, I can make it later, yeah?
I think I'll do the... Yeah, give me a minute.
Okay.
I'll go for pizza, 2-for-1 pizzas. I don't know if I can eat 2 pizzas. I guess I can take one home.
I'm married when I'm 20.
It's like $8 for 2 pizzas.
My son is 20.
I'm sure they're little pan pizzas, little for personal pizzas. And the burger is over $12.
Andrea is my friend. Andrea is...
Oh, these are all 2-for-1 too.
Andrea have...
Am I gonna eat 2?
Sydney.
We're really either going to make you overeat or expect you to have a friend. So I don't have any friends. Do the 2-for-1 pepperoni pizza?
Yes.
Yep.
2 pizzas?
Yeah.
The big.
I'm going to take one home. It's 2-for-1, right?
Yes.
2-for-1?
Yeah. Just same or different? Yes.
Pepperoni.
2
Same.
pepperoni pizza, yeah?
Yeah. And ginger ale.
Ginger ale. It's okay with jalapeno and onion?
Yes.
Okay. I cannot make now for takeaway or after you're finished?
You can make one for takeaway now. That's right. And then one here.
Yeah, I can keep later, yeah?
Okay.
It's okay, yeah, jalapeno and onion.
Yes. It's okay, jalapeno and onion. Oh, let me see. I'll get it. I think it's my VPN. Yeah, it's working. Thank you. Ooh boy, look at that. My VPN wasn't working through VPN. Look at that beautiful thing. $3. Thank you. Give me a little wet towel. It's cold. You're supposed to use it on your face. Very nice. Maybe I should show you the pizza. Not bad for $6. It's two for one. They're usually $12. All right, I got my pizza. To go. I'll take it back to the room. I'm gonna take a quick stroll, see the other corners of the mall that I've missed. We got stuff on the second, third floor. They got a mosque in the basement. Indonesia is a Muslim country, although Bali, I think, is primarily Hindu, if I am correct. And Bali speaks a different language than the rest of Indonesia. I learned from my taxi and my Grab driver, and he was saying that he's from another island, that they speak a different language, so he speaks his island's language, he speaks Balinese, and he speaks Indonesian, and he speaks English, and then there were some other languages that he spoke, so he speaks like 5 languages. He only counted the 4, and I'm like, well, you speak English too? He's like, oh, no. He wasn't even considering the English. He was speaking good enough to say he spoke English, but it was good enough to have a conversation with him, so I'm going to count it. Bali United. Looks like it's I don't know. See how big this place is. Grab Bike XL, that's what I need. Very pretty. I love this concept of the mall, how it's, there's a nice cool breeze. Sushi plates. Surfer girl. Polka. I love polka shoes. I like Asics shoes too. Kids, I don't like. And that. Deus Ex Machina. Kids are just like wearing nothing at all. The original barefoot shoes. It's pretty dim in here. There's no like extra lighting. Sushi? Oh, conveyor belt sushi place. Samsung Stone. Swatch watches. I haven't even. They're still around. Those used to be popular in the 90s. All the kids wanted to have a Swatch watch. I don't know how you get. There's no second floor. I was going to ask him out to the second floor. There's a tsunami evacuation out. Hopefully there's not a tsunami on here. Please. Please, please, please. Oh, they have a sunset deck. I'm gonna have to go check out the sunset deck at sunset. Although sitting on the beach is probably preferable. Alright, that's all we're gonna see for now. Tune in next time.